Shiftboard's copy tool allows you to copy a set of shifts from one date range to another. To utilize this tool, begin by going to the Schedules area. Next, navigate to the calendar view that captures the shifts you'd like to copy. So, for example, if you'd like to copy 1 week's worth of shifts, you'd remain on the week view. If you'd like to copy over a larger group of shifts, such as 6 weeks, you can navigate to the list view and change your date range to the 6 weeks that you'd like to copy. For this example, we'll be copying a week's worth of shifts, so we'll navigate back to the week view. Before I copy my shifts, I'm going to add in a filter so that I only copy over the shifts that have been assigned to employees. You can also add on filters such as team or a specific worker if you only want to copy shifts for that particular team or worker. Next, I'll select the copy icon. On this step, I'll select the date in which I'd like to copy these shifts to. I want to copy it to next week, so I'll select November 1st. From here, I can choose if I'd like to copy the shift assignments from the week that I'm copying, or if I deselect this option, the shifts will be set as open shifts. I can also choose to auto-assign those open shifts if I don't want the same individuals working. Additionally, I can choose to create new shifts as drafts. This way, I can copy the shifts onto next week without the employees being able to view those shifts on their Shiftboard app. I can choose how Shiftboard will manage shifts with conflicts. So, for example, if somebody has an approved time off request for the dates that I'm copying these shifts to, this setting will drive how Shiftboard responds to the shift with a conflict. You can either have the shifts be left as open shifts or place them as drafts. You can expand the assignability preferences and have Shiftboard ignore different types of conflict checking when you do your copying. Next, I'll simply select Create Shifts. Depending on how many shifts that I'm going to copy, it may take a moment to process. However, you will receive an email once this process has been completed. Now, if I navigate to next week, I can see that all of the shifts from the previous week have been copied.